I am Maimuna. I read in Hifzul Quran. Now I will listen to surah from Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والنجم إذا هوى ما ضل صاحبكم وما غوى وما ينطق عن الهوى إن هو إلا وحي يوحى علمه شديد القوى ذو مرة فاستوى وهو بالأفق الأعلى ثم دنا فتدلى فكان قاب قوسين أو أدنى فأوحى إلى عبده ما أوحى. صدق الله العلي العظيم. I want to add my speech to say something about our Muslim condition. As a Muslim, we are in safe zone by the grace of Allah. But Ya Allah, I am feeling very sad thinking about the condition of other Muslims. Example, Muslim condition of Myanmar is so tragic. Ya Allah, we cannot bear this condition. The non-Muslims are torturing upon the Muslims very cruelty. Ya Allah, this inhumanity should be stopped very soon. As we cannot stop them, let us pray for them and try to help them. Ya Allah, please save the Rohingya from this inhuman torture. Among us who are rich should help them by donating food and shelter. Ya Allah, you are almighty. Only you can stop them. We are helpless and cannot do except praying for them. May Allah bless Rohingya from the brutality of Myanmar. I am finishing my speech with pained heart and praying to my Almighty Allah, save the Rohingya from the torture. Again, Assalamu alaikum everyone.
চমৎকার।